a budget video, and I am doing a budget video after so long, and I know you guys love it. So do I, so please like this video already. So today I'm gonna be showing you all the tops that I've got from Shein, and all of these tops are under rupees 500, and these tops are fancy and not basic at all. So I really hope you guys will like this video and will be helpful. So without wasting much more time, let's begin the video. So the first top is this bright yellow v-neck top. It is a crop top and it is really tiny, you guys. So I like to wear this top with shorts, with jeans, with skirt. Basically you can pair it with anything, and it literally screams summer. The material is so amazing. It is perfect for humid as well as the hot summer season, and this top was for only rupees 292. So the second top that I have is this one shoulder top, and I've used and I've worn them so many times. I own this top in black and white color, and I absolutely love these tops. They are so versatile and you can pair them with anything you like, be it pants, skirt, shorts, and even your lehenga. They look good with everything, and they are very low maintenance at the same time. But the only problem is the material. It's that silicone material, and it gets really sticky. These tops were for rupees 309 rupees, and for 309 rupees they are very versatile, and trust me, if you're gonna buy this you won't regret it. Next top is this black crop top with the puff sleeves, and I love the sleeves. These sleeves are so much in trend right now. You can check any couture and puff sleeves are there, so you should have puff sleeves in your wardrobe to stay updated. And apart from that, I love the neckline, and it looks really stylish no matter what you wear it, and it will make you stand out. The top is for rupees 365 rupees only, but again same problem. Top is made of polyester material, but if you're someone who can deal with it, go for it. Next top is this one shoulder snake print top. It looks so classy and elegant. Pair this top with the black jeans and wear a belt around it. This outfit will look so amazing, perfect for night out, and the material of this top is so soft, really soft, and this top is for rupees 373 rupees only. So next top is this black organza sleeves top. Organza is also so much in trend right now, and this is a drawstring top. If you don't know what drawstring is, it means that if you pull the strings, this top will convert it into a crop top. So it is a multi-purpose top, and this top is perfect for night out or party, and the material is also really amazing, and this top is for rupees 438 rupees only. So this top is a crop baseball top, and this is the most comfortable top ever. So it is a little crop, so it is perfect for going out for the movies or just going out and hanging out with your friends. And pair this top with the denim jeans or denim shorts or denim skirt. It will look really cute and casual at the same time. And the material is cotton, so it's perfect for summers as well. And this top is for rupees 476 rupees only. Last top of the video is this white off-shoulder sweetheart neckline top, and I absolutely love this. This top is so multi-purpose. You can pair this top with the sari, with the lehenga, with your long skirt, short skirt. This top is perfect for fancy events, and I'm pretty sure you all will look so pretty in this top. And I think this top has different colors as well, so if you don't want white, you can go for any other color. And this top is for rupees 484 rupees only. So that's it for the video. I really hope that you guys like this video, and if you do, please like this video, share it with your friends as much as possible, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And also I'm planning to make such videos more, like footwear under 500, makeup under 500, something of these sort. So please let me know, comment down below which other videos should I make like these, and should I make them or not. And till then, I'll see you really soon. Bye.